I've got a treat for you today. I'm in the kitchen. I'm going to be making kilt lettuce. This is something I grew up with that I absolutely loved. And actually, as I got older, I grew to love it even more. This is lettuce. I have pulled this lettuce out. I've rinsed it thoroughly. I just want to pull some of the bigger stem pieces out, which I have. You want to properly prep your lettuce. Don't want any tough pieces in there. I'm going to leave this in its whole leaf form. But now you could shred this lettuce if you wanted to. I'm going to leave it just full because we're going to wilt this down. I have my camp stove out. My cast iron skillet is getting hot. I had bacon this morning. This is my leftover bacon grease. This is gold. Tons of flavor. An additional depth is going to be added when you use a really good quality oil or grease. This is bacon grease. I want to get this into my pan. This comes together really quickly. I want to get this bacon grease into my pan. You can see it still has little pieces of bacon in it. And I just want this to come up to a steaming. I want you to be able to see this oil steam. This is one of those meals that growing up in the Smoky Mountains, the Appalachians, that it just was such a treat. When lettuce was fresh out of the garden, we'd go out early in the morning and gather it before it actually got wilted over from the sunshine. We want to wilt it with the grease, or as some people in the Smokies or the Appalachian Mountains would say, kilt lettuce, wilt or kilt. So this is melting. It's going to come up to temperature really quickly. And as it's doing that, I'm going to take my lettuce and I want to put in a little bit of my garden onion. This is just an onion that I have chopped up, and I have some of the green, some of the white meaty part of the onion. Let's sprinkle this on top. And I'm just going to leave a couple of those out for garnish. I'm a fan of cooked onion, not so much of the raw. And then I want to come in as my oil is heating. I want to come in with just a little bit of salt. I want to do a little bit of salt on that. Ooh, that's going to be so good. And I'm going to do a little bit of pepper. I'm just going to sprinkle that right over the top. Get all those flavors in there. And then I'm saving my bacon. After the bacon, this is what I cooked this morning. I will put that on top once I've wilted it. Now, this is looking really phenomenal. This pan is going to heat up quickly, as well as my oil. I know you're saying, I can't do that, Ransom. I can't do that. Yeah, give this a try. Give it a try. You know, oil and butters, fats are such an important part in so many recipes. Don't hesitate to give this a try. You're going to love it. I feel like if more people knew about it, they'd be making this more often. It's a secret in the South Mountains, the Appalachians. All right, that's heating up. I just want to see it start to shimmer a little bit. And once it shimmers and gets really hot, the magic happens. But we would serve this with cornbread, and we would normally have a meat like a pork chop, a piece of chicken. There would be something that would go with this streaked meat, a lean streaked meat. Now that has heated up really quickly. I can see it starting to smoke, and that's what I want. It's going to wilt or kill that lettuce, kilt lettuce. All right, I am going to turn this off. We're almost ready. Don't go anywhere. The finale is coming. Now be careful because this is going to pop out. I did spin my lettuce dry, but it definitely could still pop out. So be careful with this. Be careful. Oh my gosh, that smells good. All right, I'm gonna set this to the side. I'm gonna put my pan on the oven. It's super hot. I know you can see the smoke coming off of it. I'm gonna clear this out of the way and I'll be right back. All right, that has been cleared out. Now I'm down with just my lettuce. I wanna come in and toss this in the oil. While that's good and super hot. Oh, this smells so good. And then I'm gonna come in with my bacon bits from earlier. I'm gonna spread those on. And those remaining few little bitty onions. And this would go right to the dinner table. You wanna serve this while it's still hot. So this would be the last thing that you would prep. And I'm just making sure that all the lettuce is gonna have a layer of that bacon grease on it. Now, let's get a little bit of this out and put it in the bowl. And don't be concerned about just digging in and getting some seconds. Oh, look at this. So beautiful. I've got plenty here to share. Come on over. We'll eat this together. So good. All right, there it is. I'm gonna come in with my fork and give this a taste. A little bit of extra salt and pepper just in case you need some. And let's come in and get one of these nice big leaf, a big leaf of lettuce and give it a taste. Oh my gosh. That is so good. It's like a salad dressing, really. Don't hesitate to give this a try. It is just so good. I don't know that I can even convey to you how delicious this is. Kilt lettuce. I'm Ransom Ryder. The journey in the kitchen, so much better when you share it with friends. Come in, hang out with me. Let's eat some of this Kilt lettuce. You're gonna enjoy it. We'll fix this some cornbread. We'll get something else going in here. I'll see you very soon on my next adventure. Bye, bye. Thank you, thank you. I'm gonna finish this bowl. It's just so good, I can't leave it behind. So